So in this video, I wanted to talk about why you should always file your taxes in Canada. Now, there's really three possible scenarios. Either you owe a balance, either you owe nothing, or either you're expecting a refund. And in all three scenarios, you should definitely file your taxes for your own good. If you owe a balance, you should file your taxes, or else you're going to pay interest and penalty. If you're not expecting anything at all, you don't owe a balance, you have no income, so you're not expecting a refund, you're missing out on GST and provincial credits, provincial benefits. And of course, if you're expecting a refund, well, you're missing out on your money that is obviously in this high interest environment, can be yours, and you can collect interest on it. So you're definitely leaving money on the table if you're not filing your taxes. So the GST is a government benefit that the CRA pays depending on your income. So even if you have no balance owing, even if you don't expect to pay any taxes, or you're not expecting to receive a refund, or you have zero income, well, just for filing your taxes, you'll get the GST benefit. Now, the calculation is based on your net income, but you can receive up to $496 for the year if you're single, $650 if you're married, and $171 for each child under the age of 19. Now, that's the maximum you could receive, and it depends on your net income as well. So you're still missing out if you don't file your taxes. Now, that's just federally. Some provinces have their own benefits as well. Quebec, for example, has the Solidarity Tax Credit. So let's look at the Solidarity Tax Credit from Revenue Quebec. Let's look at an example here. So let's take the period from July 2023 to June 2024. Let's say you had no spouse, you didn't have any children. Click next. There's nothing here to select. Let's say your family income is zero. So because you have no income, you think you don't have to do any taxes. You don't have to file your taxes, but you might be missing out on government benefits. So in this simulation, we're going to say zero income. I did live alone, and I did live in an eligible dwelling, and that's it. Click estimate. So I'd be receiving $1,162 for the year from Solidarity Tax Credit from Revenue Quebec, on top of whatever I would receive from GST from CRA. This $1,162, I'd receive it monthly, so $1,162 divided by 12 should be around $90 something that I'd be receiving every month that I would be missing out on if I don't file my taxes every year. So once again, even if you have no income, even if you think you don't have to file your taxes because you're not going to get a refund or you don't have a balance owing, you should always file your taxes to at least get the government benefits. And especially for students who are not working and don't have an income and are only paying tuition, you should still file your taxes because you want to record your tuition. Because once you record your tuition, you can then claim it in the future against future income. And of course, you want to also claim your government benefits such as GST and Solidarity Tax Credit if you live in Quebec. So really, I don't see a scenario where you should not be filing your taxes. You should always be filing. If you owe a balance, you want to avoid interest and penalty. If you have nothing, you should file your taxes to get the government benefits. Even if you're a student as well, you'll get the government benefits, and you want to record your tuition so you can claim it in the future. And of course, if you're expecting a refund, you want your money as soon as possible, so you could either use it or put it in a savings account easily and get 5% right now. Now, how can you file your taxes? Well, there's a lot of softwares out there, like Wealthsimple, there's TurboTax, of course, H&R Block, UFile, and so many more. You could simply just Google CRA tax filing and you can land on this page and just look at the list of software. It's very simple. And of course, you can reach out to me if you want help filing your taxes. My email is in the description below the video. Alright, so this was a quick video just explaining why you should always file your taxes. There's no advantage in leaving a tax year unfiled. Thanks for watching.